You all have seen, right?
Lively,
PCC
opposition
President,
leader.
PCC President and Honorable MLA Sunitbhai Burman spoke to us for a line zoom, and then we have heard, and then we also told that what do we want from the central government. I just want to tell all of you that because of Indira Gandhi ji, we got ADC here, and because of Rajiv Gandhi, 3 more ST reserve seats also we got. That much I can tell. And then Congress knows about our problems. We said that okay, we'll discuss in the party and then we'll take the call. And they are going to Delhi tomorrow, I think. So once they come back, they will let us know, or we also will discuss in the party and we'll come back to you all after our meeting.
You had a talk in Delhi also on your rights, on your demands.
Yeah, we have been talking because see, we were talking with government of India. This talk will go on because it is with the government. But today politically they have come here. They are not in the government, but this is political talk. That's it. I think more updates will come.
Mr. Rabavan had expressed very strong hopes that they have put forth their demands and their stand, and he was hopeful that something positive will come in future. What is your estimation out of it, sir?
I'm telling the same thing that we have to discuss in the party, and then we'll come with the update.
But already Congress have an alliance with CPM in India India alliance.
See, those things, Congress, CPM, everyone will think. Okay. So definitely they know that they have aligned with CPM. Still they have come, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, before the assembly election also there was similar talks, but it did not materialize that way. But now Tipra motha is also at discussion, at negotiation with the central government. It's not any party, but the central government.
No, nothing of negotiate.
On that demand,
whatever they have demanded is their legitimate right. We, the Congress party or the Tipra motha, they are fighting for their right. This cannot be a negotiation.
No, on the demands I'm telling. I'm not taking.
No, their demands are legitimate. The demands within the framework of the constitution, whatever the demands are for the socio-economic and political upliftment of the indigenous people of the state, they have been striving long. And you know, even with the script, a dirty politics is going on, which ought not to have happened. So these are all, tactics to smash the regional parties for their own interest. So we have reminded Mr. Pradyut Kishore Debbarma and the leader of the opposition, it's time for you to take an appropriate call for the betterment of the people of Tripura as a whole.
But they have always asked for a written commitment from whichever party they have given an open offer, whichever party given, will Congress be in a position?
Wait. Congress has already given 6th schedule. Congress has increased by amending the constitution, raising 17 reserved ST seats to 20. Congress in the year 2011, thinking that they have amended the constitution so far as 74th amendment so far as Panchayat Raj and municipality is concerned, it's high time to amend the 6th schedule also, so that money flows, so that direct funding and from the consolidated fund of the central government of India. Congress is very, very, very clear on its stand. We believe not in politics. We believe really from the core of our heart for the betterment of the party. And we treat Mr. Pradyut Kishore Debbarma as a congressman because his origins are roots as a congressman. So it matches, our thinking process and his thinking process matches. So we have come, we have sat and discussed the various matters, and it is for them to take a call, and I believe very shortly they will be apprising you of further development.
Everything was quite positive.
Absolutely. It was very nice.
And do you believe that the opposition vote should come together and other small parties also together?
Absolutely, that is the demand of the nation. It's the demand of the people of the state, people of the country, that we should all bury our small differences, come and defeat these fascist forces.
Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.